मागीर फुडें कितें जालें काल तुमी मिटिंगूय घेतली मोपा ऑफिशलांच्या बरोबर सो हाव इज द प्रोग्रेस एज फार एज मोपा एअरपोर्ट इज कन्सर्न
See, I am of a strong belief की tourism needs to change in Goa. And ताज्या खातीर connectivity आणि type of tourist coming is what I have been stressing upon. Infrastructure तयार करता आसतना लास्ट म्हाका दिसता infrastructure गोंयचो change जाल्लो was during Chogam. I feel today Mopa is going to be the game changer if the Mopa guys play it rightly. आज जेन्ना airport 15 August they have tentatively said that they are going to be making it ready. As a part of the government tourism department, we need to know how is our presence there, what are the things that we need to do as government from tourism side to boost tourism. At the same time, what do we expect the MOPA people to do in terms of getting our things right. थोडो डेटा पळोवचो पडटा, थोडो आमचे विजिट्स आसता, वी स्टार्ट फ्रिक्वेंटिंग वेरियस कंट्रीज फॉर रोड शोज बाकीचे. वी नीड टू नो वॉट आर देअर प्लॅन्स, वी नीड टू नो हाव वी कॅन वर्क टुगेदर, वी नीड टू नो हाव वी कॅन हॅव अ प्रेझन्स फेल्ट ऑन द एअरपोर्ट. खुबश्यो गजाल्यो इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रिलेटेड ताजे खातीर एक रिव्यू घेतिल्लो. वी नीड टू एन्श्युअर दॅट द टुरिस्ट हू कम्स टू गोवा through MOPA, how best we can increase in terms of connectivity, whether it is charters, whether it is local domestic flights, what are their concerns. हे सगळें समजुपाक एक रिव्यू एक पयली विजीट घेतिल्ली. We have understood that they are quite ready for that, and that's going to be what I said is going to be a game changer for the state in days to come. North Goa tari in South Goa, dogankui with the type of infrastructure connectivity that has come through with the 4 and 6 lane highway, we expect MOPA to get a big booster. Daboli with restrictions of CBA, Navy and naval authorities, I think more flights can be coming into this area also. Whether we can explore the possibilities of cargo, other issues. IT ashilyan, we need to know how we can use it so we can utilize the resources while promoting IT in the state. ताच्या खातीर एक ओवरऑल व्यू आमच्या मळा पण तांच्या कडल्यान समजून घेवपाक ही मिटींग आशिल्ली. वी वील लायक टू सी वॉट इट इज. ताच्या खातीर आमी तांचे इल्ले मोपा ऑथॉरिटीजाचे म्हणजे people from GMR, people from Department of Tourism आणि people from MADA are supposed to be sitting in the next 15 days and brainstorming and understanding what needs to be done, and ताज्या प्रमाणे आमी फुडें वचपाची विचार करतले.
रोहन बाब, मोपाच्या उपरांत दाबोली एअरपोर्टाची स्थिती कशी आसतली?
I think that is already a promise that Daboli will continue the way it is. आणि मोपा इज समथिंग विच इज एडेड. सो आता ते फाटले विषय आता परत आम्ही आय थिंक इट्स टाइम टू मूव अहेड. आणि दाबोली इज ऑलरेडी देर, विल बी देर, इज ऑलरेडी अ कमिटमेंट. जे एडिशनल आमकां तयार करपाक मेळटा इज वॉट वी आर लुकींग फ्रॉम मोपा. दॅट्स एक्झॅक्टली हाव वी आर वॉन्टिंग टू फोकस टुरिजम अपॉन. नॉर्थ गोवाचो बेल्ट जो आसा तितलोय बेल्ट आसा. आज तुका साऊथ गोवा हॉटेल्स हॅव कम दीस सायड, दाबोली आसा, सगळे आसा. युटीन आज नॉर्थ गोवा बिकॉज वी विल हॅव सम पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ गेटिंग बेटर फॅसिलिटीज इन नॉर्थ ऑल्सो. Daboli is operative and will be operative. Hanga we are talking about MOPA to explore about tourism per se. As far as other things are concerned, as far as the airport, other civil aviation issues are concerned, or anything about the government is concerned, the Chief Minister will be the person to talk on this. I am related to the area of tourism and somewhere towards IT.